Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. We are full-time online resellers. We sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Kitizen, and also Facebook Marketplace. And we're going to show you what's sold for us today. It is Saturday. Saturdays are a little bit of a shorter day for us because our post office closes at 11:30, and it's actually almost 11 now. So we're probably going to zoom through these real quick, and we'll show you what's sold.
Let's start with Facebook Marketplace today. So box T here. So you're gonna see a theme today. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, this was
I think I picked the wrong. I'm seeing these silver Crocs, but those are not the ones that I sold.
Oh.
Alright, let me check my spreadsheet. That's not good. Alright, so this is the right box. I just was confused because, well, my sticky says silver Crocs, which these are silver, but these are not the silver Crocs I sold. But that's because this box is these Crocs that I sold, which are these navy blue flip-flops. So, yeah. Anyways, they sold for $15 plus shipping. And I got those at the bins, part of my stimulus check challenge, so only have about $1 into them. And then the other actual silver Crocs are in CW.
And so, guys, that's a perfect example as to why in our inventory system, it's better to have things as random as possible. If there was only one pair of Crocs in that box, we would not have been confused. So,
Yeah.
so these are the silver Crocs, yeah?
Yeah. So these guys also sold for 15 plus ship. I just posted these yesterday on Facebook, and they sold like right away pretty much. So $15 plus shipping for Crocs might be the magic number for Facebook. Those are part of my 65 pair day, so I have about $4 into them.
Oh, so those were both on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
Awesome. Was there any more Facebook?
Those are the only Facebook sales, but we sold so many Crocs overnight. It's just crazy.
It's a Croc day.
And then CT. So these are eBay sales now. These, I sent a very low offer to the buyer because I was about to pull them to take to the consignment sale. They're just some little Puma sneakers. They're really cute. Like, they're black and glitter. Nobody wanted them. They're like in perfect condition too. I've had them listed for over a year. So I had a watcher. I sent them $14.99 free ship. These are like 10 ounces, so shipping was like $4.30 something. So, and I paid $3.99 for the shoes, so not making much money, but more than I would if I would have just taken them to clear out at the consignment sale. Alright, so CV. More Crocs. These ones came, I don't remember. I retail arbitraged at so many places, but yeah. I know I paid $10 for them because that's what my spreadsheet told me, but I forgot where it said I got them.
And the spreadsheet does tell us where we also purchased them. Yeah, she just doesn't focus on that line.
I only pay attention to
yeah.
the price. So those ones sold for $26.36 free ship. On eBay, shipping was like $5.50 or so, like a little over $5. Mm-hmm. And yeah, I paid $10 for them, so close to doubled my money. And then BN, another pair of Crocs.
More Crocs.
These blue ones came from my 65 pair day, and they sold for $17.56 free ship. I just recently lowered the price on those to free ship versus 20 plus ship, just because they didn't sell in the first 30 days. So those ones cost just over $4 to ship. So, and then this sold to our viewer and friend, Destiny Elliott. She comments on all our videos, interacts all the time on Instagram and whatnot. So this is just a cute little Free People reusable tote bag. I actually got this from the bins a very long time ago, and I found it in a bin as I was going through my death pile stuff, and I was like, what am I gonna do with this? So I just listed it. Like, it's not normally something I'd list, I guess, but it was here. I didn't want to throw it away or anything, so I listed it for $4.40 plus shipping, and Destiny bought it. So thank you, Destiny.
Thank you so much for the support, Destiny. And she is a reseller, and she has Instagram, right? Yeah. So we'll link her Instagram here.
That's her Instagram. I just know her. I know her name in real life.
It's like Retro by Destiny, right?
Oh yeah, Retro by Destiny. Like,
how do I know that and you don't know
that? So many names.
Definitely go follow her. I'll link her down in the description.
All Alright, so that was it for eBay. Then I had a couple Mercari sales. So AM.
Oh, sorry, Reese.
You stepped on
I just stepped on his ear. He didn't even care. I didn't step all the way on his ear. I just put my toes on it.
So these are the brand Soul. I've never heard of it. I got these at the bins as part of my stimulus check challenge. I could just tell they were like a nice flip-flop. They looked like they had the arch support and whatnot. But then I washed them and kind of ruined them a little bit, so I listed them fairly low at $12 plus ship, and someone just bought them. So $1 into 12 plus ship, not terrible. And then box O. These are some Livy and Luca little, these are called the Petals, and they sold for $23 plus ship. I got these at Once Upon a Child for $6.50. And box 8R, another pair of Crocs. So these ones, retail arbitrage again. These ones I remember I got at Marshall's for $9, and they sold for $19 plus shipping. I have several pairs of those still. That was the only size 10, but I have like every other size pretty much. And then a couple Poshmarks. Oh, one Poshmark sale that was a bundle also to a viewer. So let's grab those DF. Let's see. Alright, so these are going out to Megan. She said she found our channel, loves to watch our videos, and has learned so much from us. So thank you so much, Megan. So she grabbed this Under Armour shirt and this Matilda Jane shirt. And she offered me $35 for both, to which I happily accepted. So yeah. The Matilda Jane came from Goodwill. I have about $3.99 into it. This one I bought for my son and he never wore it. So maybe $6 or $8 is what I paid for that originally. So yeah. Thank you so much, Megan.
We appreciate all the support, Megan. And glad you're learning from our videos. That's so awesome to hear.
So yeah, that was it so far this morning, and we probably won't ship again until Monday.
Yeah.
Sometimes on Saturdays we do like either a second trip or whatnot, but we got a lot to do today, so
yeah,
not today.
So we'll go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So we went ahead and took all that stuff to the post office. It's actually going on 4:30 now. So we had lunch and we've been kind of working a little bit today. So we're going to go over the momentum board right now, and I think we have a little bit of other information to share.
Well, I was going to take the marker, but I just wrote them. Yeah, so again, we didn't get anywhere close to our 100 listings for the week, or even the total that I'd want to be at, which is what, 4,000? 3,000.
3,000 a week.
2,800, right? I like to list like double what I want to make.
Yeah.
So close to 3,000, and I've only listed what, 12.
Like 1,500 or so.
Maybe like 2,000, less than 2,000. So, but the sales have been crazy. So like, it's been hard to even keep up, which I'm thankful for that. So yeah, yesterday 6, today 6.
Yeah.
I did just photograph some more stuff, so maybe when we're laying in bed tonight, I'll list those. But yeah, other than that, we did decide not to do this JBF.
Yep, we're erasing her off the board.
Mostly another snowstorm is coming, but also we decided to
get out of town for a little bit.
Yeah, we mentioned that, but like we hadn't decided where to go. We just decided last night that we were gonna go to Omaha, Nebraska, just because we were hoping to leave Colorado but not go too far, and like something under 10 hours drive, because we don't want to do flights or anything right now. So we will be road tripping. We booked a hotel. It's fairly inexpensive to stay in Omaha, so that was exciting. And we can bring Reese with us, so yeah. That's what we're working on, and that's why we haven't got much listed either.
So yeah, I don't know if you guys could tell, this month, at least the last 2 weeks, we've been kind of in a little bit of a funk. I don't know. I don't know. I can't really explain it, but we haven't been hitting our listing goals, and
I know one reason.
One reason is JBF, right?
No, because I've been trying to go thrifting here and there. Like, I'll list some stuff that we already have. Then I'll go thrifting, and I'll, like, be so disappointed because, like, all the shoes now are, like, $15 plus.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. And that's, like, what I was so excited to, like, finish the closet, finish all the stimulus check challenge stuff that we've been cleaning downstairs and get that all listed, so that I can specifically source shoes. This is something I've always wanted to do. I mean, shoes are my favorite, and I was starting to be able to find a bunch and enough. Like, I thought I could at least find 100 a week between Colorado Springs, Denver, Pueblo, if I just, you know, make the rounds. And yeah, now I don't know what it is, but the prices seem to fluctuate, and right now they're really high. So
Yeah.
another reason we kind of wanted to get out of the Springs, I plan on thrifting while we're in Nebraska a little bit, just not a lot, because we do want to spend time. We already planned a bunch of stuff to do with the kids, but gonna at least stop some places on the way up through Kansas as well, and then what else was I gonna say? Oh, and when we're there, our kids still take naps, so you know, we'll do some stuff in the mornings with them, go back to the hotel. Chris will stay. I think the Nebraska bins was like, what,
A few miles away. Yeah,
hotel?
like less than 5-minute drive.
So, and then maybe hit up some regular Goodwills just to see kind of, is it just like really expensive in Colorado? Because, you know, we watch a lot of YouTube, and it seems like other people get shoes for like $6 where they live in different states. And I know it, you know, Colorado is kind of an expensive state to live in, so it makes sense, but it's just been like in the last few months that it's just seems like they've really upped the prices from like $8 to $15 for shoes. So that's one of my funky things.
One of the big reasons with her funk, I think, for me, you know, it is spring break for the kids, so the kids are home. At least Connor's been home for the last week. Not that that's a bad thing, but it definitely does eat into our productivity. Because, you know, our kids are still young and they do need attention. And so, yeah, we just decided to go up to Omaha, Nebraska. And, yeah, she said we're going to hit up some thrift stores. I fully expect us to still do some videos. Definitely not what sold videos for a few days. But, yeah, if we find anything good in the thrift stores, yeah, we'll be sure to maybe show you guys, bring you guys along to kind of see what we're kind of doing. So I don't know. So yeah, we're really hoping just getting away and not focusing on work as much, and you know, getting a outside view of some other thrift stores, and just, you know, kind of stepping away a little bit will help refresh us. So we'll be gone. I think we're leaving on Monday, and we'll be getting back on Friday. So nice, right in the middle of the week. Hoping to avoid any kind of, I don't think Nebraska is a huge tourist area, Omaha, but there's some fun stuff for the kids and us to do, so we're just going to go and get away for a little bit. I think we're going to be putting our stores on like vacation mode, and we haven't quite decided that yet.
I'm not, but it's going to be annoying to message everyone because I just can't, like... I know, like, Poshmark, I think, allows 5 or 7 days to ship. Kid isn't allowed 7. Mercari, I think, is 3, which is more than will be gone. So, but I just couldn't, even if I planned on, even though they allow 7 or 5 days, I could not do that to somebody without messaging them. So I would have to message every single sale, which I wouldn't be listing really while we're out and about. So I would assume we'd make a lot less sales, but I still want to make some sales while we're gone. So I don't know. I can't decide. It's like I want to turn everything off, but then I don't. It's been such a good month. I don't want to, like, I don't want it to end because this is literally like the last week of the month.
Yeah. So we're still in that, you know, deciding phase. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah. So that's kind of what's going on with us, and that's going to be it for this What Sold video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.